Hello everyone, welcome to another unboxing from Coins and Stamps to Watch. So we'll see what this one is. I know it'll be something old, as I like old coins, and of course historical coins, the one that can tell stories. Okay, here we go. All right, okay, come on, don't. My name is in there. I have to remove it. So these are bought trade me from one of the reputable seller, and here we go. Very nice one. See what it is. Nicely wrapped, of course, as usual. Oh, it's very hard to open it up, but I assure you, it's one of those nice coins that are old ones. Here we go. Here we go. So a few of them. Few of these coins. Very nice ones. So few I know, some I don't. Honestly, I don't know them all. It's just it's very hard to know all these coins. But anyway, yeah, all right, we'll try. So this one is it's a nice one. It's a Islamic coins. These are Islamic coins, by the way. Now I'll be struggling for these ones. I don't know. Do you know this coin? I think I remember it. I just forgot. I think it's I don't know, Morocco. Oh, Oman. I think this is from Oman. Oman or UAE, United Arab Emirates. As you can see, it's uncirculated. It's nice and shiny. Probably composed of bronze. Very nice design. Here we go. It's one of them, and we go with this one. So this one, I think it's from Egypt. Egyptian coin. It's just I don't know how to read the language though. So it is one of those barriers in which it's difficult to name these coins. But I reckon it is from Egypt. But in case I'm wrong, I mean, please do tell me and tell us, if it's wrongly identified. So this one, another one, I don't know actually. Oh, I think this one, I recall the thing. It's probably Pakistan. Yeah, I think it's Pakistan because I see the moon, the crescent. But it also looks like a Turkish one. It is from 1970, as I see below. I think it's Pakistan. And it's one. I just don't know the currency. All right, but I mean, it's very hard. Although I like to collect coins, it's very impossible to know all of them really. So please bear with me, and if you know the coin, just tell me, or tell everyone. Just put a comment and a correction if I'm wrong. I will appreciate it, truly appreciate it. Thank you. So this one is from Morocco. This one I know it's from Morocco, 20 francs. It's an old one, I think, 1371. I don't know. It's an Islamic calendar. Probably, I reckon it will be maybe 1930s, maybe, or 20s. I'm not sure, but it is 20 francs from Morocco. So this one is another Egyptian coin, I think. As we can see, I think that was a young portrait of King Farouk, and the value is, it's very hard to. That's the date, and that's the Islamic calendars as well, but just hard to learn the language. Okay, this one, Saudi Arabia, I think it's Saudi Arabia. I just don't know the 50 dirham. I'm not sure. But these are all these Islamic coins as far as I know. But this is Saudi Arabia. Just that, yeah, don't know the language. This one is Tunisia. I've been in Tunisia. It was a long time ago, but yeah, it's a lovely country. I even have a friend there. So 10 centimes from 1933. Here we go. Protectorate, French Protectorate, Tunis, and here we go. Islamic calendar, Islamic writings. So yeah, it is Tunisia, 1933. Nice old one. And this one. Oh, okay. Don't know about this one as well. Some mystery. Okay, what is this one? 10 pills. The Hashemite Kingdom of Jordan. Okay, Jordan, 10 pills. The date though, I don't know. I just don't know the date though. The date is there, but I don't know how to read it. So if you know, please do tell us. Here we go. From Jordan. And this one, two meals. This is from Palestine. 2 meals. I see. Yes, it is from Palestine. Here we go. It's from 1941. 2 meals from Palestine. Very nice, lovely coin. I have a few of Palestinian coins as well. I think some goes back until from 1927. So that's a long time ago. Palestine. Free Palestine. Here we go. One more. This is 5 meals. And it's from Free Palestine. From 1935. Very nice. Very nice coin. Palestine. 5 meals. Very historical. Very historical coins from the Middle East. Here we go. We got this lot. So yeah, it is hard to know them all, but of course, all countries, all coins have different languages as well, and writings, and they're all historical to me. It's old coins. They've been around through the ages, hundred years, and yeah, some more than 50 years or 70 years. Yeah, nice ones from the Middle East. Right, please do like and subscribe my channel, and see my playlist for more videos of coins and stamps. Thank you very much. I hope you all have a good day.